Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the myCADtools MarkFoldLines tool. This tool is used to mark the folding lines only on the ends of your part to avoid weakening the folding line. As you can see over here, I have a sheet metal part open inside SOLIDWORKS. Now I'm going to activate my tool, Tools, myCADtools Utilities, MarkFoldLines. For my method, I'm going to select bend line selection. This means I'm going to choose the bend lines that I want to mark. Once I've selected my bend lines, I can decide what cut to add to my bend lines. In this case, I'm going to choose triangle, 1 millimeter. Then you must decide how you would like to treat your collinear bend lines. In this case, I'm going to select the first option, and I'm going to click OK. Once the tool is complete, you'll see it adds a feature to my feature manager tree called marking fold lines. So I can see that it's gone and added my triangle cutouts to my bends. Thank you for watching.